Aba Xposed GH. Yes, Xposed GH. No Ghana and beyond. Yes, aha, Ghana and some Ghana and some near catch you say yet today, yet in some suminia, because Ghana and some Jimmy so say yet in some suminia. Program na yedi bro like it. Comment in a share. No BT in summer air cost for then or Ghana. Ye catch you the Xposed GH. And summer air cost in summer ye dream one. Yan tia say was so who be no make me more elegant kwame amega me the bed bro. What I say? Aha, summer air cost. I hear Papa Hopeson Adorye video be agent trade because when you say NPP before, they have not yet taken their flag bearer. Only part obeti amanyoponi ama 2024 election ebe den ebe koso omunyam fa sani pa na den eye it sani pa na omunyam fa no and I am say there were two kind of people. There were Baumia camp and your Alankash camp. Now Alankash camp no was say a do say media and I was a party in more then watching in America meaning say yeah Papa Hopeson Adorye what I say Papa in a down to be no or Kasa to say step I will flip your head then me won't say me call Kasa stop because this met na Ghana no Kasa no okay poor way and then threatening yep you bema or catching a pretty for say or my being here to my study and you be kind I say we can't check glass and glasses Billy Jonas on the Kennedy quote from mom got to share what I said and what children stand he's in a camp of Alan Chamantain what I said I could join him the friend Alan Cash and net oh we are done on meeting be our way your friend is saying our Ashanti region they were doing a health work campaign no more health work campaign you know and Alan Cash didn't still be a small cancer sorry and Alan Cash Hopeson Adorye didn't still be a small cancer assemble na wokan me pese ye kwon ye kohwe video ne ye den eba na ansa ye be kohwe video no ene three topics bi ne ye pese ye kan wasen that's a year no the man who speaks for the youth this was the man who was speaking for the NPP and 2016 who said Akufo-Addo was the man for Ghana because a plus Fulani youth and especially celebrities so much Akufo-Addo to come into power because not say the Ghana mind for listen people higher but what I say a plus was one of the people who stand for the people in this country say young to Akufo-Addo but why are there he's not a coward or say that no money was it out recently Wakasta United Showbiz and no money I was say you can't tell your mind to the people and then now or the statement we are to your friend is saying the page so I watch a Kenya and why are you and almost two about and you I'm a new president has been elected in power now opposite statement be a home you back walk where they back of phone somewhere there aba yeah mamia or share fishery and agriculture and so mame how akunsi waka semi anya Ghana for there anya Ghana for fe ye better for share that video no so aba our goal is Ghana for mema ye branti one year see the youth being the female and male we are lazy factory be and I mean kwame me semen koye bi and you show factory be na me semen nya bi ana amanu omo me be invest no omo nya ntuma bi omo ye today we are going to discuss the issue there enwunya ne o say kan ye beka ituni ansa na ye beka nsem we no ma ye kwachi apopon ka to ye ni embra para se ma ye kwachi apopon ka
Onyadofo de ne wo haw de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan e na wasie wie e na wo penchensen papa e de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwunu enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem e de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa se wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo womo atum ne true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda Onyadofo de ne wo haw de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan na
for me mama kwaba what you say I need to say and flow be from what you say na ye ko yen sem so Hopeson da yo abe make statement what you say And who your politics are, and to be it becomes nasty. Say you who's a party in watching you because I bet Baumia come and Alanchumante what come. Check on Kotua you Nipo be 2 minutes. What I say, obey party name. I'm at 2024 election because I could follow the show boy. Why any day it's Ghana Sick and Subedi Manasa, obey Manasa. What I say, obey Ghana Sick and I then Amanasa. But then I could follow a seminar here. Maybe I come on. The about the statement. Hope in Adorye Entina still peers. Ojina the campaign on we are short region. That statement and I'm betting your push video near bar. And yet, so Adorye make it that statement. And not that it's just for the party campaign on we are there. And that's what you are making up. A permanent Chamante will get the power to lead the NPP for the 2024 election. I feel my
I think I'll go to America. So, boy, Saturday, NPP, you want tradition. Muntian, your tradition, and your Dampa, Buzia, Dombo. Eti, Dampa, Nijahoma, Asio. Espirine asiawasano. Ana Buzia, Etlahoma, Ashanti region, Brown Haponoza. Ana Dombo so ewo Northern region. From 1992, Dombo Fodia, a Bia Wabudi position. Adam Pabedino, na Buzia, Etiho. Buzia Bedia, Dan Patiho. Sabuzia never bow. Dan Pan never bow. Dombo Fodia, Emlepia, Wamudam. 1992, Adubwa Hinabaya, Adubwa Hin, Akofa Domboni, Anwanino Boy. Again, 1996, J. Kufo, Ebaya, Munina Munum said for Great Alliance, Nakadia Unabo. 2000, what day, Domboni and Ebaya. Before the Homa Buzia, Adubwa Hijahoma Dankwa. Eti Dampa de Dikaba and Abuja Apostle. Jay Kufosi Hodomo, and the president, Akufado, Ebeke over, as I go back to Dampa, and I'm President Akufado by so what the Domboni and a Yadang, Ebaye, and then the Vice President Mahmoud Baunia. Ekisa, and for Dampa, and the Babuzia, and a Dampa, and if I don't know, and Babuzia, and I'm and a simple mathematics, and everyone say a lot of work on the best of permutation at all, at far. Now, and I'm going to say, what you do, we need a very day, and before. And the other thing I say, taking tradition. The tradition must go on. I don't know what. It's in the year in the said, a century. More vote to know what in my NPP. I don't know my letter, a baimu, a beg now. And not be as I do for Fubiano, we are losing elections. At this time, Mwanga Samudisha, I love Project Ramante, I was here to show the Papa Sipatase. Nadu Mami said the Safi Elimina, Centralism, I think I'm better for Becasaro. No. Ada agrubo so agrubo dia foso eti pia so eti say dey e baba tubudia yes MPP delegates na say your conference na agrubo dia so na buzia no nipa ye de no ko eye alankojo chemantini na 2020 elections Ashanti region vote to boa e cancel 9 regions more than 1.7 million votes. And this is a 600,000. Yet this is 1.1 million at the whole free Ashanti region at the MPP. So 1.1 million Echo Conca, voter region, the 5 northern regions, and the western north, and the PDP. And the regions, Baku 9. At this time, I am protecting my chamber. You do something with it. Who will make 2 million plus? Who will 2 million plus now? And that comes to 13 regions. I can see that you need this.
Iti ahwefo video ni akɔhwɛ no. Iti mi bisa o. Ghana. Your president, your baba elect in a party. So only thing conform. Only by your baba iti Hopeson to your person beside a say. Before they will have this campaign, that's what the man Ghana for. He doesn't have any campaign he wants to give Ghanaians. Why is the campaign message? Let me tell you something. Ghanaians have to rise up to the stand. Say, I'm telling you, voting Obiama number power. The campaign message he have for the people of Ghana has to start from the party. It's not your party, Bibia. Yet the public, tribunal. Listen to the campaign they have. But what you hope in Adorye? Opedo Chile Akufo-Addo dear. Why you Dankwani coming from the eastern region, Utuwa coming to the Achims, I see all what they say. You understand? They are the diehard fans of the NPP. We are the day better one NPP, and they will go for the Dankwas. And the Bussias, Ashanti region for fine. Yes, here. Ashanti region for the Yakans the Bussiano, 1992. A 102 by he was coming from what? The Ashanti region. Let me go to say, I don't know if Adorye is the one from Adorye. He was from an Ashanti region. Went to me and far. He went and yet be from Dombo. It may be so. The question is, the statement with me probes in other wedding. So, I'm here Dombo for meaning the notness. I'm there. I'm Mukwa. You better we need power. We need them. So I want to tell you, and name Ghana, baby, we have to have a flag bearer who come and lead a whole nation. We have to bring people who are suitable in a tradition. Hey! Do you make this? I was saying Ghana for to be at once. Yes, I could follow better now. I could follow. Say a Busi and Nico, that is before. Busi and Nico, and you have before. Fine, the before quoi? They say I could follow now. Then I could follow to Yama Ghanaians. Start practicing now NPP before following. What did this man do for us? And you need to get you past an mobile Ghanaians. And you to get you past an mobile Ghanaians. It was in Adorye. Step you pay you to sell. I want you not simply so. Wait to my campaign message. A free and tour to tell us what he has for Ghanaians. The people young no cry. Should they idea and capabilities that this man has? Another man post in the always electromagnetic the Minister of Industries. He do to me what he can do. And I know what right there in this government power. Say why tell women move today say there is a tradition in NPP. And the tradition in NPP, we have to follow. It is not necessary to be mobile. Happy. Men cast the 7 million kwasia. But to be means that maybe somebody won't come. You are not part of it. But you just come to power to be vice president. So they have no good things for you people. The emperor will be about to two kind of money. I'll bet train your home in particularly said, or bet yet the only panic pill by a drink don't go down Kwani Busia. It is a new panel said you only aim no scout party anymore. He has to come and lead Ghanaians. Me know why you joining NPP and this, this is what we only power, almost the president Adorye. I used to come like the interest. Alan Chamati will come and campaign for with against Mahama. But the question is, when his campaign message, if a person in his camp is telling us that it is a tradition, so Alan Chamati, you have nothing for Ghanaians. If it's coming to the part, Alan Chamati also will call upon over Ghanaians in the industry minister and number why Ghanaians. What you have done for us. Come on, what kind of country is this? Hopeson? You are a grown-up person. It is you people know that the politics is a game that you use to fortify yourself in any other way. But think about Ghanaians. They are going to be Ghana for 7 years. Campaign out for what was them? If I am someone say Kokase, but what was them? Kokasa time. Kokasa na nyefe. Your words were not nuts. That's them all come away. This was not the time for it. You want to come and give us a campaign message Oh, those no hotel and a good idea, but need the move you been here report about power. But what's the bet today? Say, I learned to maintain what you must say the Magana, or what you must say the Magana, or that 20 put 5 wire then. I have got to Ghana from where near 88. It's been another class system that check Hopeson Adorye. Me na ma be kasa system that check Hopeson Adorye. Simply for her our party anymore. They have to call this man tell him, ah man, statement I will make it was 50 days. And now come and pay. It wasn't nice at all. It wasn't lively to Ghanaians. What does a campaign leadership have to do with Busi and Echo? So what if? This is the question. What if Bawumia is the person? Then be on no idea who for Agro. If you are not going to year, what if? How do we know? But the question is, I'm not here campaigning for Bawumia. Or no crowd and no never be Anka Ghanaian. So I know the NPP and they will be in position for 20 years. Opposition. They will go from 2024 position to 20 years. Bawumia. But that's not it. So no one help Akufo-Addo abroad. And all man good ideas on my economy here. Sell or remember power. And you're not that's what they were saying that. But that is not it. What do you have for Ghanaians? Hopeson. Mr. Hopeson, what do you have for Ghanaians? Did Alan Chemate tell you his name ran assume it was over? And you want to say and we are Akufo-Addo the bar power. This is what you people take. Because the president here, Akufo-Addo now, but it's time and Akufo-Addo, they were not voting for Akufo-Addo for his capabilities. So now you to the president, he has the vigor and the strength and the capability to take out corruption. Fine, and war. But coming to it, the question was, and the question is, Akufo-Addo, my young say, party following feeling say, name brand has to power. It is no more called rallies, no more called flag bearers votes now. Now to moon say, ya twama Akufo-Addo because name renas emre ben house. What do Ghanaian need? We need development. It is too much for almost about 60 years apart. We are in a country that we are still called developing country. Are we not ashamed of ourselves as a country? Are we not ashamed of ourselves as a country? You say meeting free. Benya munti and a meeting free. Ghana memuntia. That's on my back. This is what we have to do. This is what we have to do. And we know assure at the right time. Because a time near me say, you're paying for your better sayang de. And yan today. And you when they do so. Hopeson, go back. And pay for no one casa. Go back again. That was who that was Hopeson make you a honor. It was just a tribalistic word. It was just what? A tribalistic word. Me kama to have your mommy. Me come in. Other here. Me think you play. You go for it. I'm not telling you, mommy. Be. Okay, I'm trying to scar. Yeah, I'm trying. Other here. Come on, me that's the class. But tell you something. I tell you, don't put the young name. So the notness are not regarded. If they are young power now, we have to go for them. It's in a young one wants about Bawumia a poster job and a dirty job for these people. Right? And now, Akufo-Addo so about Tenafu, near young minister. Yeah, nation minister. So that's what about Tenafu. When Asante for when you find, and my GDP Ghana. What kind of all this is this? May I bet you now near Rebecca Ghana for say, and they were tribalistic. Who are tribalistic than these achievements? Who are tribalism well at Hopeson and the Wako Kayan? Seven being for Bayama, you been Yano ever trout. Now the only man say, I hear you, you the swallow, and you be cutting to form out. That is not it. That is not the right point. It's Mr. Hopeson. Salanka for messages. I hope say you catch today say more other campaigns that move and now health work that move and the whole part beside Alanka say what are the other projects our and then in Nampuma be not Ghana for Thomas. Now I look at statement Hopeson guy. Some key say Omunya 1.7 million votes from Ashanti region. It is said Omunya 2 million votes to win power. Fine, you need a vote. But Asante Foye, Mesrem, Onya Dot ye, Minya baby power ye, now one dream. But say, you do a memoir, it is to become a global war. No matter the tribe, no matter where the person comes from, it doesn't matter. It may be so. Will you people give the NPP that 2 million votes under this government what they have done for Ghanaians? Hey! Now, me say I'm past it. How well they make here? Forget that as I'm saying. Mama, they make it a statement. They ain't got something Ghanaian and say what these people have done. Yeah, them try on me try because then the NDC forward in their power and their sense. The foreign graduate send the team on my trauma. They the war many 2020 no. Now their senses have come. It would prove to these people, more prove it to this party say, yeah, but you're Ghana and yet you're free and chain. You're free and chain and war minor. You're free and chain will not help Ghanaians. Free and chain, free and chain, you're that question ask yourself. Free and chain, then you buy. Free and chain, yeah, them are. And that's swimming that change. Free and chain, yeah, the carbon do as memo. And people are bitterly complaining. Free and chain, and the or say chain as they cheat. Yet they poor chasing, you know. It should tell you the anger you people are having. And my mama did me cheat 1 year later. Now, still, you are still MPP. Vote according to what you think who is capable to lead Ghana. At the end of the day, but think about the person who needs Ghana, who Ghana wants, who Ghana needs. Who Ghana needs. Because who got penny pie want here. When you want someone, the person will come and live a lavish life. Because in life, so Nipa, who want near exceedingly. It is the old president. What fly every real to a good what fly every real within 5 hours. Now he had $15,000 because he was people that we did not need to, we wanted. So now Ghanaians need a president who will take care of the people in this nation. That is what we need. That is what we want. Okay. Say abattoir. What the make you? What ha What ha? No offer. What happened, Papa? Because this was a man that Ghanaians even to their grounds. If you want to make a NDC for Balankat by that one. Sir. Iti. Sir, some okay. Sebi. The intellectuals and the Nipa wa Timas drink Nenka Nipa Wako school. Because Sebi, you can't Nipa Wako school and the Sebi. But when you Wako school to Sebi. Nyan send a big gumuno, a big guho. Because of a cat there, it's a Ghana card. Ye sing in touch India. Nipa we sebi me oni nyansam mame nyansam ebi no mame yo enya wo me ebi no mame because I did not like it. I did not like that opinion. Me nyane me enya nyansasam e de mame enya nyansasam e de mame. So what you say enya nyansasam de mame. We need people to help us to develop this country no matter what how it takes. But we need people who will come and rule this country as a desire, not by tradition. Say, this statement for a person who said is educated, you know politics, you know how to talk. This is what you are telling Ghanaians. And I was saying, I will change before catch Ghanaians. To make us only probably a seven, now you talk. It was a worse statement. So you are telling me, say the person you are even campaigning for, you are just campaigning for him because name ran us. Man, come back again. That is what I'm trying to tell you, mister. Come back again. Now, therefore, me say, me ma won't say, if you make a so you say, you need to say, and flow, Pia, and my name is so as. So I say, from no more be went to money and mouth. A time, a then I dada. Change in the suit. From no more bra. They will come and do the right thing for you. And say, so to associate over. watching here and yes, do what you down and shoot to see the money good and that we move video be announced social media. Now the money told me said they move for pepper and shoot fee just to them to say. A honor, you've been so that I told it and fat. They are big need to present from it in a didn't need on bend the come. Still Ghana and got chins, you know, and the 3 months now. Or so better no papa by your chins in I come on. Call them. Do the rightful and do the needful. That's what I say. Okay, now me chat was. And right. Last. And you have to the social media page. Social media page. This was a guy I was trying to tell you. He was so vibrant in supporting Akufo-Addo to come in power. Because they don't make it to himself. The Akufo-Addo they know it's not the Akufo-Addo in power. The man has become a mafia. The man is really mafiaing them. In same way, why they say on two Obianka? So I say on two Obianka. Some guys when in account, there were all kinds of celebrities. Bemudie, Ebimudie has to show baby one. No more man, they are man, man, and koye. But plus, they were going to say, this government, they regret voting for them. And you know, in the words of A+. Now, what was that American with my previous words, you know? And to one MP before when you talk, we are but one talk, just to vote for somebody who become a black flag bearer. Now, to one woman, Temuno. And they sacrifice the person by whom he the president. Because looking at him, you know, he wants that linear to follow. So what I say, or per se, or my nibby then, and that's enough. With tradition, you know, send me old sinner. You say, and let your man take sombra. So it is what is going to happen. And no will be flag bearer. Fine. Now, yes, I can't. No, can't. At some way, and what kind. So I say, she would tell me, at some point, last time, A+ making statements. A statement on make here, I was to be reading man. What I say, me press the bed, seminar, me no one seminar, me a mechanic, me pay. Ghana, the seminar doors. Let me read what he said. Let me read. What is this? I don't know the idea here. So, what do you will be our one now? Then A+ kind. Or stay. Never vote for the incumbent president. Choice to succeed him. It is the COVID-19 protocol to leave power back, to leave power, but work from home. I am referring to Akufo-Addo and Bawumia. Nobody is of any what? It's not too many, many enough. It's of any what? Oluman. It's afraid of any Oluman. That's not too many, sorry, because the lighting over here is too much. What's the statement now? A+ making or person may say, but we are not the president. The MP before so down. No more Bawumia leading this party. Now by conviction, and they come into power. Yeah. And the COVID-19 protocol, you are working from home. The Akufo-Addo continue. And Akufo-Addo will be working from home. Not just for no say, but we have to for another 4 years. Indirectly, Akufo-Addo really. And then the A+ focus as same way. A+ from the agenda say Kenya Fatwaba, and they have gotten a new president. A new president has been elected for a long while here. Only the president took from a president new elected. And the president of what power, but a new party, and what person will be deep. Wait to a mind in him. And plus the engineers work actually say, the Ghana for 1 billion will say, and come Ghana for. Now going for the party, Moko Twama Akufo-Addo. Sakufado manova ni we no maba o me wini flag bearership yi na wo betena so a ebeye Akufado in power indirectly by the words ayeka say COVID protocol work from home. Eja COVID by e say mamuni no we are working from home. What I say e ho na nsensem ba e tie na ehu say sa na enya by force obekọ adwuma ko ye adwuma put na fia ye adwuma. What I say I because we adwuma no fie kra enipa betie by COVID so abebie ni ama ye hunyoma bebre enye obia na hu na wachia sabe COVID kra ni ma hu say sabe omo mo nu mu wonka put me fa nose ma she wa no kata wa no wa to me we also we have cold sabe oh yeah so I say but and yes after me na wa you see I like the strength and the guy this guy knows say I say hey mo ni Akufado see me o a plus previous way be account I say you don't know Akufado more than me o me ma we me na work me na trust me na tepen me na walk me na nante ya nante say ye be nante afa